Good evening. Welcome to a day in the life with ALTON. I recently did a video with kids, of me treating the kids, and I promised them something in that video, and today I'm gonna fulfill that promise. So I promised them pizza, so I'm gonna give them pizza today. So remember to subscribe, like and share on the company channel, because you know I'm not normal. Welcome to JAMMIWOOD City. Welcome to Richard Brown Films Paradise Nation Entertainment. And yeah, we're there going normal same way for a normal day in the life. So follow me as I take this journey, going over to Novelet Read. Oh yeah. I want to big up some people. There are some people who really support the thing and I make some donations, and you see me? I do the right thing. So just have to big up Novelet Read, Bill Brown from Maryland, Novelet Read from Florida, Bill Brown from Maryland, and also Neville Read, and also can't forget that one, yeah, British Gal. That's her, well, that's her Instagram. Yeah, that's her Instagram. So big up them people there. They're VIPs. So you know, so look, everybody see me, so you know, badness come.
I can't know back. Walk up and stop in man. You know they get. No. You are talking nice. You get back. Hurry up and walk out the bag now. That's too lazy now. Walk up, man. Stop it, guys, no girl. Why? That's you know we get. We get. No. I'll make up a face. Walk good. Tell them how I feel. You know we get you. Go over this. Why? Walk up, man. And wait for me to say what left me. Wait for me. Alright, come on. I thought long for more. I'll carry my bag good. Over this. Time me say I'm not say long for more. So I carry bag. I carry bag. And I have bag, girl. You know, the moment you cut out. You can't go on your father for leave. I'll leave me and mommy alone. Walk up. I don't know you can never take you and go on with you and left me and mommy. Just come like a destruction in our life. A long mouth. More long like with dog. More long. We have fun for me to mom say I want to left. We have fun. Come on now. I say no we get into me. I'm not high. Where you go? Where you go, Susie? I say.
You know, say me I want 2 grand and buy something.
Tell man call your own sister here.
One care about Greenfield Hotel.
Alright. Now go down there so we don't mess with mother send me out. So we come back.
Alright, I keep me wait here.
No man, me now go.
Alright. Woohoo! Boy. Greenfield here right up. Tada. Take on the back up. How you tell them apart? Yes, Miss Jones.
Other day, I don't like how your face looking. I really don't like how your face look. All your skin, like a baby, you might have beat around and you see.
You don't even understand. A peer problem. Mommy just a stress me from the everything I mean. She beat me, go she beat me, come right now I just want to give up.
Don't give up, man, cause so have money, you know. When you have money, just
I can't take you around me.
Go to talk loud. You don't say yourself. I say it loud. Ready?
Don't give up, man. Me so have money, man, and make sure you say, oh, you're good and take it for around this, cause I don't like how you're looking at.
Little girl, where are you at? Come back here to me. Come back here to me. Let me see how long you have to wait for you. Come back here. Stand up. Who him? Who him, me say? Trevor. Then, you know no ambition. Look at you. Shameless girl. Tap ring out here now. What you do? Stand up, little girl. What you feel, say? You feel, say, you're a big woman? You turn up out here with Miss Jai's son? So, how long it since you watch to him? Turn up!
Me and him not talk.
So, little girl, I'm not here, man. Mister, if you stop from ring up your hand, so.
I'm a friend.
Your friend. And he well arms up around you, so. As a friend go. You know what kind of hands up them you bring? Eh? You can't mind with me? Look on the boy where they chat to. Look on the boy. Look on this boy, this a dirty foot broke pocket boy where you want to take up. Look here, man, me no want no more broke family. You understand? Me have as much broke family, no putting in our family. Me and Miss Jai is a friend. Me no want you to there with his son. All when me and her a friend. You walk this now. Come go in here. Come go in here. That should have just back. Set me up to get the
So yeah, welcome. You know it's badness come now. I saw roast breadfruit and sardine. A day in the life. $200 US. Yeah, a dozen breadfruit for come a foreign. Somebody buy me some water, please. need some water, you know, or some juice. You know, I don't really drink juice. After I eat, drink some water. Yeah, that's good. So, don't forget to subscribe. Start shoot a new movie right now in the day. And that was my breakfast. So, ready now for start shoot. Ready? Right, so now see what I'm going. So yeah, now they are going now.
Right, so tell them a little bit about who
so Richard is so.
you can tell them your name and where you're from and
so.
how you like in the
They are going now,
of being in Westmoreland.
It's not normal. And they in the live. It's about ALTON. Remember, subscribe as a company channel. Okay? I don't know, normal.
It's your first time actually
Yeah, son.
coming in a movie.
Oh, they are going now and see me see Popeye them down there. So
So that means that we're going to make a little bit of walk one with the world.
yeah, that me man.
But they said today are the first
Yeah.
DTS.
There.
Can get that.
Going easy.
We don't want the fun
No,
to
go on, no,
left
man.
out. The fact that we have
Oh.
as we should. So we just have one family with some BTS. And so we have the great Candy over here. So a veteran night thing. She been,
Dinosaur.
Yeah, she been with that one film.
So now they are going now, man. Candy.
Think I'm here talking about dinosaur. What your name dinosaur, bright?
Dinosaur, that's a dinosaur. That means a long time somebody want to no common sense.
You know means your own, okay?
Common sense.
Move your ugly just to come here from that food. Again.
So yeah, see, Amanda here.
How far we are go?
We are going now, man.
Over here go.
How far we are go?
So yeah, still a shooter now. So you know, but things are going, you know, you're normal boy. Yeah. You see me? And normal like ALTON a shoot, you know, but yeah, they are going easy. You're getting better. With this flow here, I'm getting better. But when's everything good, so I can fully active again. I'm up on the beach. Then next week, we're going to do a wet table talk. I'm going now. Come, pack up your bag. Now come. Come, we're shooting.
Exactly.
We're shooting from down here, so come.
Alright, so let's shoot from us. Now, come back.
No.
No,
So come now.
No, no, put it there.
They're lazy.
no, you don't shoot today.
They're so lazy. Look come now.
What do you think of donkeys?
Donkey, just whip them and they run.
I know me thirsty.
You're thirsty? What you need to drink?
I want Pepsi and juice. Now where you go?
Right, that's so.
Where?
Come now, man. Look up now. We need to walk around the corner there.
Time's been moving slowly.
I'm outside. Yeah. Right before I'm still look nice. Banana chips here. The ice cream coming over holiday tonight. So I'm going in.
You know, so I'm glad to see you come.
Yeah?
I do want to talk to your father here.
What now?
Things kind of change up and we can't go continue this.
What do you mean we can't continue this? What are you talking about?
I need somebody new.
You just left school, you know? And we not really start working. I don't like to say I'm going to be broke forever. I'm in love you. I really don't want to take your friend this, take your friend, your wicked mother and your sister. And carry her go somewhere nice, go live near you and go get some start with family. And you really said this to me?
Trevor, we can't be selfish. I have to do this for Susie and Mommy because at the end of the day, I have to help them out. We have suffered too long.
If this make you happy,
No.
I really understand if this make you happy, but you see me, I really love you. I really don't want to say this work out, but No, your mother, your father, and your sister, them have put things in there.
Chat. Come look at fire. Look off for me. You're going to go down into the kind of have to go like can and give me one today.
That's my phone can.
Yeah.
We'll get.
But I can't.
Hey, there are no more can in the fridge.
Tell me what me want from me no want.
Right now. Right now.
If this really make you happy, I understand. You see me? Because at the end of the day, once you're happy, you make me happy. You see me? I don't really want to. If this make you happy, I don't want to have nothing more to do with me, but I understand. You see me? It's alright. So this make you happy?
No, but I just feel like a good guy.
Once again. Bad girl.
So, yeah, as we say we there, I go on normal. Candy there, the wicked mama who beat up a little pitney for no reason. And this is the daughter that has been getting the beating. Me I look her, but me not no money in her show.
Broke.
In her show. In her show.
Mother teach me well. No broke man.
In her show.
That's right.
No broke man.
In her show.
What I sure?
A day in the
Tell
life.
me to tell me
Go on, go on, me boss.
And you can't buy me one juice.
Eh?
The juice me want.
Which juice?
I trust you
Me
want
know nothing.
Trust
You know
what?
people?
anything trust go down your
Trust
belly,
what?
it will hurt you. Do not chat to no broke man. And if you want nothing from no man and they have to trust you, tell them say you don't want it.
No want it.
Money straight, paper.
No want it. Money up
Water. Bright.
On the favor, sell it.
Yes.
You scan the daughter, you want to dash you and left a town.
Yeah. Make you.
But never get look like candy.
I like them at tell.
You left him a town.
Like you can't start, I lock up.
I told daughter me
No,
have.
it's sad.
I want Ras, you know. I Ras love food.
So when my next daughter, then who you wanna come?
You look a wicked one
Be
today.
nice, that's how me go on. Hey.
You know, say,
I know say what.
you look clean for the camera.
So we don't clean and up on the camera.
What do you mean?
Camera carry out features.
Why?
We are trying to say.
I this me.
No,
Candy.
Candy. No, Candy, me not this a Candy.
Put on clothes for your argument them.
Alright, you look beautiful for the camera.
So we ugly.
No,
Fantastic and fabulous. Them the word then I use again. Say, you look fantastic and you look fabulous.
you look like fabulous.
No!
I look like you or smell like.
No. Because we are a spontaneous girls.
You spontaneous, Candy?
Yes.
If a man pass you right now, your head chip.
Nothing wrong with you on the whole place.
So what me do?
Nothing wrong with
Stand up
that.
and make them run me down and cut off
Your
me.
daughter come like a Facebook behind you. And somebody says something, you say something back.
Alright.
Take care of me.
When we nice, that's how we go on.
Hold them.
When we nice,
They're
that's how
dead.
we go on. Hey! When
They're
we nice,
dead.
that's how we people dead. Hey! Come on, star. Yo!
What's up?
A day in the life with Candy.
Wait, how far them go?
Most right there, sir.
I'm gonna give you some ratted because see. Ratted, me say ratted.
So, as you know see, we do a scene now. Up so, we are going normal, see me.
That they tire this.
You Candy there, can't really agree.
Boy, you can buy tire.
We have Amanda here,
What is that?
she can't really agree either. So, you know the badness come down. So big them up. She name Amanda Leap on Instagram.
My name Jessica Thomas 3695 on Instagram.
So why 36?
No, Amanda. Because the name that I was putting in is was already taken, so I couldn't use it. So I just give the name, I just put the name that Instagram gave.
No big people up on the line.
Some, no.
How am I going to roll his bodies and shadow of death?
We are going to golf course. We
Now my
Exercise is
shadows
good
of
for
death,
you.
you know,
are
man.
going to golf course.
Exercise is
And
good.
then,
Look here, we now go with them there, you know. at them are gonna drive fast and see me, so stop quarreling.
Right there, so.
Eh, quarreling. Hey. Why are you
Shut up,
arguing?
let them a car winner.
Eh?
Papa, a man by back.
Just go back, man.
How when you reach up on bike?
Dream, I couldn't see it.
Let's win it that part.
Watch Bieber in the car front.
Don't pick Popeye. Good day.
If I come down, I run up on the road where I go. Maybe I weave them away pan and then go down the go further.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, brother.
Go to the
I guess around that's how we are go.
Call him now, ask me if he should come up further or out or something that argue there.
If you don't come,
That's when I have to put it on.
Oh, I'm looking nice, son. I look beautiful.
Alton, are you a shoot them?
Are you your father singing song?
Alton, where they do?
Yeah, my uncle.
Are you your father singing song? What you song go again?
Killing the guy here.
What song go?
Come on,
Alton, me think of when then you feel that they trail them when them drive. I don't know come catch me.
Come, Candy, come.
Start the car, man. Oh wait.
Hot!
Yeah, me say now.
Put on your phone now, Bieber.
Put on the phone, Beaver. That's the blood clot phone. When me say now, more Beaver, and you fear come. So that means that Beaver can say for me, and I'm taking money, you know, so we can prepare for the same scene from last night. You know what I mean? We see how the buy juice or whatever today. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, take it from the so. More you fear tell the mother so you know it.
Oh, so she figure along down there.
Yeah, good on the so.
One.
I have it there. Where go?
That's where you start from?
No, yeah, we go down further. The two of them are war. Go down the war. You go run on the first time.
What me not catch like a red foot them in it. Like a polished floor. Remember them like a polished floor. Them catch a foot bottom.
Hey, I feel blood. Half movie. Good place today in our steel.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you 'cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you've got me.
Good evening. Welcome to a day in the life with ALTON. I recently did a video with kids, roughly treating the kids, and I promised them something in that video, and today I'm gonna fulfill that promise. So I promised them pizza, so I'm gonna give them pizza today. So remember to subscribe, like and share, and come on the channel because you know I'm not normal. Welcome to JAMMIWOOD City. Welcome to Richard Brown Films Paradise Nation Entertainment. And yeah, we're there going normal same way for a normal day in the life. So follow me as I take this journey. Going over to Novelet Read. Oh yeah. I want to big up some people. There are some people who really support the thing and I make some donations and you see me? I do the right thing, so just have to big up Novelet Read, Bill Brown from Maryland, Novelet Read from Florida, Bill Brown from Maryland, and also Neville Read, and also can't forget that one, yeah, British Gal. That's her Instagram. Yeah, that's her Instagram. So big up them people there. They're VIPs. So you know, so love everybody see me, so you know the badness go. I don't know, normally in the Alton. I don't know, I'm already. So, we there normal naive now. It's me kind of have a flu still, but it's getting better. So, worry there.
Rory.
Hold on there, worry.
No, what you mean?
Eh? Rory. I'm a little general, but him saying I like crowd, so you know saying nothing now. Kids come now, man. Come now.
Children. Thanks, Papa.
Where are you going to?
Grandmama.
No, say nothing now, man. Anything. Take. Come on, some general.
So now, John, I'm from home.
The rest of them. Yeah, man, call everybody, man. Get everybody together. Everybody.
Denise,
We not left out nobody today, so. Now, give me a back low after them go on now, man.
Denise, come join the line.
Give me one back low after them now. What at after them? I'm going now, man. So, big up them. Wait, what's his name? Anastasia Radney.
Yes.
And you? What's your name? Dejan. Look at that camera, man. Look at that, see the camera. It's a Dejan. Where's that? Wait. Anybody know me knows say hot water me drink? Probably that's why I sweat so much. You know, say normal, isn't it? Yeah, but normal, isn't it? Gotta be in life. Right thing. Oh my God, I'm sweating. So, everybody there, you ready? Normal.
Grandfather sharing pizza between kids them. Pizza is not sharing this side, pizza at the front.
Papa.
I know you love pizza a lot. You always cater for kids. Wow.
Alton, want somebody else, one more somebody else now.
Who else?
My cousin, see man.
Oh, pretty girl, come now.
So we may have your pizza that day. Yeah, happy. No, do more than them.
Chantel. Come on, everybody can get one. Pizza here for everybody. Pizza is here for everybody. So, hold on. Who wanna get juice? Come now. Who wanna get juice?
Take one for them.
Who wanna get?
Let me know.
Who else nugget? Yeah, she get. Who else nugget? Everybody get? So, they are normal. Wanna good? Why is it no one? Ice cream. The guys on this.
Yes, Alton, I like the way you're taking care of your kids, man.
So ice cream. Give some ice cream. Show
It's
some ice
looking
cream.
so beautiful right there.
Now
Children! So yes, Mama.
show some ice cream. Everybody get ice cream. So everybody get ice cream, right? Please take
Maybe
ice
eat a
cream.
pizza though. Wow.
Healthy.
They are going down, man.
Yeah, healthy one.
This is more than normal.
Some people bless you, bless you, give us bless you.
Bless somebody else.
Right.
And the good thing you're blessing the children, which is awesome. You're doing an awesome job, Alton. Please give it up.
Your blessing can only multiply.
No, my boy.
Yeah.
When you done, I get some ice cream and go on now, man. See you, man. Next time, just put the juice there for the fridge right early.
Yeah, they're cool all night.
They're cool. It's just nothing like trouble, you know. I'm gonna like trouble make a picnic. We don't like when kids then get trouble. Last school I learned I'm big kids. You good?
Yeah.
You want more? One more? One more?
Alright, I'll tell him to be friendly.
One more. One more?
Come on, minus one. Yeah, let's on one more.
Boys, come.
We'll play it.
Somebody ever look big something. Come in. One more? One more? I want to take brave water and tell me now. One more? Okay.
And look at the big one, but gold, no sugar.
So you know that's my thing from now.
You buy one with no sugar.
No sugar. You take out the sugar out of it. Take out the sugar out of it, just drink water. So, today are still, that's a normal day. So I'm saying remember, subscribe, like and share as we come on the channel because you know it's another normal day. The ice cream there ready? Look at all the shop man, that shop man, like very well feel like you know hide. Look at all that enough more people can all that shop. Come around us, come around us, come around us, come around us. Come around us. No more juice I know, just tell me. The little man now eating on pizza. Kind of still. I don't know, sometimes I have to. Make a feel what I want to get the number. Not allowing it, you have to be active. Just see how I sweat. It's good. Say no nothing normal boy. Line up your ice cream then have that. If you want normal in a place today, you understand? You want to just subscribe, like and share. Also, bless me. Bless kids. Bless everybody. And bless. That's just me personally. Like to help people. Sometimes I wish me live rich. Jamaica probably a better place. Because the amount of things I'm going to do. Yeah. Because I do what I can do, you know. I'm not being selfish, I'm not being mean, I'm not being greedy. Bless me and bless people. Oh, one more?
Alright, if I kill with you, if I do what?
Alright, so ice cream. Who don't want it? Who want it? Water you want?
Yeah, mash up the
Get one water.
It's not like cold water, please.
The ice cream them ready? Yeah.
Kaji, what's your thought?
You know I'm more picking man. You don't breathe as much. I have 3 but they're so far away. They're so far. I have 3, so 9 here. I have 9 kids here. Plus 3. So still 12. I have 12 kids. So I'll have to get responsible. because they're so close to me. So yeah, I'm responsible to all of them. All of the youth them around there, so little kids. They're not normal, you understand? So yeah.
You really see that? Hello, you see that? He knows I don't eat pork and he bought a pork pizza. Grandma is sad at this time.
Well, come on.
I'm so sad.
Come on, no, hide more.
Denise, come around, you kids come around. It's pizza for dinner.
Who next? Kids up there. They're going their thing. You know, so normal. See? Everybody there, them good. So, yeah, remember, subscribe, like, and share. And big up Bill Brown, Nablet Reed, Uplish, British gal, she know. I don't know. That's not the right name, no. Yeah, British gal. Big up yourself. Big up Janice, big up yourself. So you don't say nothing normal. You understand? So come on, They're shy. So today I go on normal same way. You understand? Mind a drop, Papa. Yes, I'm working on a new movie, so start shoot already. So probably by Wednesday it will be up. So just there I go on normal. You guys remember if you like, share and subscribe. Let's get some little BTS with them and eat their ice cream by themselves. What's it? Good? Boy? Go on and come back.
Virtue, you don't get the virtue.
Tablet, too much that now.
Look like a... Look like a...